So I'm currently behind the wheel of the 2025 Toyota GR Corolla, and this is the automatic version. So this actually features a launch control setting. So I'm gonna show you the different steps you take to enable that launch control. So first off, per the manual, have the vehicle stopped, put your left foot on the brake pedal and put it 100% down. Then put the gear lever in either drive or the manual mode. I'm just going to leave it in drive since I'm kind of filming this. You have to put it in either sport mode, or you can put it in custom mode, but in your custom mode you have to have sport enabled for the powertrain. So just for making it easy, I'm going to put it in sport mode. So once you have it in sport mode, then right here next to the drive modes, turn off traction control. All these different lights are gonna pop up telling you got traction control off, which is fine. Then you have to, it's gonna be unique for me because I'm currently filming this, you have to grab both paddles for 1 second and hold them. So I'm gonna try to do that. And it worked, so you have launch ready. So I'm gonna start giving it gas. Launch active. And that's how easy it is to do launch control in the 2025 Toyota GR Corolla. If you have some more questions about this launch control feature, please leave them in the comments below. And if you can please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you've not already. Every little bit helps and I appreciate it all. Thanks for watching.